In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google My Business to N8N. This process is incredibly useful for those looking to automate their workflows and integrate powerful business tools, simplifying the way you manage data from your Google business account. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. To start off, we need to gain access to credentials within N8N. When you open the N8N interface, you'll want to look for the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various options for setting up and managing your N8N environment. Click on the Credentials option in this sidebar to proceed. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for securely integrating your Google My Business account with N8N. Once you're within the Credentials section, you'll need to create new credentials specifically for this connection. To do this, simply locate and click on the Create New button. This will allow you to start the process of specifying the type of credential you need. For this purpose, you'll select Google Business Profile as your credential type. This ensures that you're setting up the connection correctly and tells N8N exactly what kind of access you're intending to manage. Next, it's important to choose the right authentication method, as this is how N8N will verify the connection to your Google account. Here, you'll want to select OAuth2. OAuth2 is a highly secure way of handling authentication, and it's widely used for connecting apps and services securely. It's a widely trusted method, so it's the perfect choice for ensuring your connections remain safe and reliable. After selecting OAuth2, you will need to set up your OAuth2 credentials specifically for this integration. This involves following detailed instructions provided in the Google Business Profile Credentials documentation. These instructions will guide you through the process of creating OAuth2 credentials in the Google Cloud Console. Pay careful attention to each step, as thoroughness here is key to ensuring everything is set up correctly and securely. Additionally, during this process, you must enable the Google Business Profile API for your project. This activation is critical because without enabling the API, your setup won't be able to access Google My Business data. Once you've successfully created your OAuth2 credentials, the next step is to enter them into N8N. You will need to input your specific client ID, client secret, and the OAuth2 redirect URI into your credential configuration in N8N. Having these details entered correctly will ensure that the authentication process runs smoothly. After you've entered all the necessary information, don't forget to click Save. This securely stores your Google Business Profile credentials within N8N, ensuring they're ready for use in your automated workflows. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've connected Google My Business to N8N, opening up a world of automation possibilities. Whether it's for updating your business information or syncing data with other platforms, this connection is a powerful tool that's now a part of your digital toolkit.